Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we off guys our split screen setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I am going to show you. So guys you can see guys you can use guys your two screen. So guys how can you of this setting in your Realme phone? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So you have got the same setting guys, and guys you want to off this setting. So guys how can you off it? So then first of all open your phone setting to off this setting guys. So we will on guys our phone setting. As you can see guys, while operating phone setting guys, I can operate guys YouTube as well as. So then guys scroll it. Guys, special feature guys you can see in your Realme phone. So can tap here, and guys, split screen setting guys tap here. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your split screen. So you can see the right side this icon guys tap here to off. So your screen will off in your Realme phone, and guys you cannot use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to off split screen in a Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.